Hello and welcome to another amazing video tutorial with KingTech Coding Clinic. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can partition our hard disk on any version of Windows, being it Windows 7, 8, and 10. Okay, so this is going to be straightforward. Let's quickly delve right into that. So first thing first, what I'm going to do is to first of all check my hard disk to see the size. So I'll just go to this PC from here. I'll click on this and I should see the size. You can see 446 out of what 465, almost 500 gigabytes. So with this, you can partition it into two, as some would want to leave some huge files on the desktop. So what we're going to do is to partition this hard disk into two equal parts. So to do that, first of all, just come to this search bar here and just type disk, D-I-S-K. Once you just begin typing, you see this pop up. Then you go ahead and choose create and format hard disk partitions. Create and format hard disk partition. So once you go ahead and click on that, you choose that. Immediately you choose that, what is going to pop up is this. Okay, so with this, what is going to happen here is you would want to right click on this here. You would want to right click on this, and then just here, as you can see, and click on shrink volume. Okay, click on shrink volume. So once you click on shrink volume, you would want to partition or divide. You can see says what this is a total disk in megabytes, and then size of available shrink space in megabyte as well here. So here we have to enter the amount of space to shrink in megabyte. So what I'm going to do is to just change this 4 to 2, probably to just divide these figures into 2 if I'm correct. So once I'm okay with this division, so you can see probably it's divided, although not into two equal parts, by one way or the other it's divided. So what we're going to do is to click on shrink. So you allow this to shrink. As you can see, the division is there. We've just divided this with this. So what we are going to do is to right click on this one here, the unallocated 251.16 gigabyte. Right click on that, then you click on new sample volume. So you want to click on next. So probably you allow this, then you click on continue. Then if you would want to mount in the following, you just allow it to be the way it is, and then you go ahead and click on next. You can choose to label or name your volume. Probably I can name it my files, something like that. Maybe my files. Okay, let me just name it my files. Perfect. So what I'm going to do is to click on next and then click on finish. So this will format it for me, and then I should have another partition where I can store my files, so that even if something happens on drive C, I can have my backup files on drive D. That is the idea, right? So what I'm going to do is to minimize or close this. So from there, if I go to this PC now, this PC, just click on this now, you should see two partitions. So this is your drive C and this is your drive D. So here you can store files in case of any other issue. In case you lose anything on disk C, you should have some backup on disk D. So basically that is that about this video, and then this brings us to the end of this short video tutorial. Please, if you like the video, just smash the like button, and please subscribe to the channel so that you get notified anytime we upload new video tutorials like this. Thank you, and see you in the next lesson. Bye.